Hi guys, here to do a project share with you all. So you remember the bench I made for Halloween? I just took it and made a two-step bench, and you can see how I did that. I used the Dollar Tree tower game again. I used those and the little press boards that I had used for the last bench. Okay, so it's the same materials. I just double stacked the taller bench and then I glued them together. You can see here. And then for the back, I just used the popsicle sticks. And I just used the big ones from, I think it was Dollar Tree or Walmart, one of the two. And then I just added some supports in the back. It doesn't have to be pretty because it's the back. So now I'm going to paint my bench, and it doesn't even matter. You could use it for whatever holiday, whatever season, but I'm going to paint mine black. Okay, and I'm going to paint this and then I'll come back when it's done. Alright, be right back. I finished my bench and it's really a simple DIY, and I just painted it black with my black acrylic from Walmart. Apple barrel. Gloss. Okay, and I'm going to use that with for now my Halloween display, but you could use it for anything. So now I cut out another house, my haunted house. Like I said, I can't give you a link. You just have to Google haunted house and so many patterns will come up. So now I'm going to cut out my windows. This is the third house. And I'm going to cut it out with you all. You know, and the thing with this is take your time. And it should be fairly easy. And again, I'm not going to cut them out completely because I'm going to leave it like shutters. Okay? And it's up to you. Whatever you want. You can cut them out. If you don't want to cut them out, you can just leave it plain like a shape of the house. All of mine are cut out, so that's what I'm going to do. And then I'm going to glue it on the roof, which I've already cut out once again. It's just simple piece, rectangle. Decorative scissors, cut the edge, cut the edge, and then once I get this done, I'm going to fold up the sides, and I'm just going to use hot glue, guys, a hot glue gun. And then I'm going to show you my display once I get it all together. Alright, so I'll be back when I get this all done and put together. Okay guys, so I got the sides glued on. I'm just going to fold down the flaps that hold the roof on, and it's not that hard. You don't even need to crease it with anything or pre-crease it. Just follow the edge and it should automatically fold down, just like that. Then I'm just pinching it. And do the same to the other side. Okay, and once again I'm using the Spooky Halloween paper pad from Joann's, and that's what I hauled a while back, and I love it. You know, the double-sided print and the sturdiness of the cardstock, it's pretty awesome. I love how firm the houses are. They're not flimsy. So I'm just going to start with one side right now. Use my hot glue. And you don't need a lot. Just be careful because it is hot glue. And once I get this roof on, it should be done. Oh, now I can't get a hold of it. I like to line up the tip of the roof with the side. And you gotta work fairly quickly because, you know, hot glue. sets up fast. So there you go. And if it dries before you get it in there, just use the glue gun to warm it up again. And your glue should be fairly easy to do. There you go. Just warm it up at the tip and press it in place. Okay, and I'm going to do the other side, and I'm not even going to mind all the other glue strings. So, of course, while I'm doing it on video, I get all nervous and things don't want to line up right, but you can see it's very easily fixed. Okay, just pressing the inside to the roof just to make sure everything's intact. And you know, some of you ladies are very talented out there. You could turn this into a, what is it called, candy box or whatever. I'm not. I took this straight off of the internet and use it just as it's supposed to be. So see, I messed up the alignment here, and I'm just going to warm it up again with the glue gun tip and press it in place. Hopefully, and if anything, it doesn't matter. Can't get it to line up perfectly. It's okay. It's supposed to be a haunted house. So here you can see I cut the openings a little different again. So I open the door this side and the shutter to the side, and I open the top completely. And this one is just a flap down instead of popping out. Let me show you. Same pattern, just cut differently. So the front I cut the same, so the door and the window are the same. But the side windows, you can see this side is flapped up, this side is flapped back, and this one's flapped down, where this one is flat back. So you could do it different ways. You just make it the way you want it. And this time I used a different pair of scissors. This one is the squiggly line. And I'm just going to chop off a little bit of it. It doesn't matter how much, you know. And you can see here, it's touching the roof. So I'm just going to cut away just a little bit. You see how it just gives the roof a little more freedom. And I'm just going to cut that. Just like that. Okay, guys? So that's how you can put a little bit of variation to your haunted houses. It's not perfect. You can see it's really not perfect, but what are you gonna do, right? It's handmade. There's other ways to use it too. You can string it on a garland and use it with some string lights coming through the top. Poke it through the top. Or you could just put it on display, which I will be doing. And I think I'm going to show it to you right now. I've shown you before. Take my little display. Here, let me pop it up a little bit. Okay. And there it is. It's our little display. And I'm going to put the house right up here, and down here, and maybe even on the bottom. Okay, and y'all remember the Target chipboard art? I just took them, added some of that Dollar Tree moss, American moss I've had for so long. That moss goes a long way. For many years I've had them. And so what I'm going to do is set it up in my kitchen. Okay? Just like that, and just take various pieces, and there you go. So I have more on my other display, but my table is only so big. So yes, thank you for joining me, and I hope you guys give these crafts a try and share it with me so I can see how you're using your crafts and what you're going to do for Halloween. So thanks for joining me again, and I hope you come back for the next video. Thank you for subscribing, and if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. And if you want to know when I put up new videos, hit the notification bell and it will notify you when I load a new video. So I hope you all have a great week and catch you on the next one. Thanks guys. Bye.